क्या आप पूरी तरह से संज्ञा के बारे में जानते हैं? क्या आप संज्ञा के भिन्न भिन्न शब्द को भिन्न भिन्न संज्ञा के नाम से पहचान सकते हैं? यदि ना, तो इस वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर अंत तक देखें। आप संज्ञा के विजय हो जाएंगे और आप संज्ञा को पूरी तरह से समझकर किसी को भी समझा सकते हैं। आर यू फुल्ली अवेयर ऑफ द नाउन? कैन यू recognize the noun word with different noun name? If not, watch this video from beginning to end. You will be able to conquer the noun and you can understand the noun completely and explain it to anyone. Hello friends, welcome in your own channel Learning with Jafruddin Ali, Grammar and Translation. The noun, number, gender and case. Its use. The noun. A noun is the name of a person, place or a thing, as Abdul, bird, sugar, steel, joy, night, pen, wheat, Delhi, etc. जो शब्द किसी व्यक्ति, स्थान अथवा वस्तु का बोध कराए उसे संज्ञा कहते हैं। काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन, संज्ञा के प्रकार। There are 5 kinds of nouns. 1. प्रॉपर नाउन, व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा। इससे किसी खास व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान का बोध होता है। कॉमन नाउन, जातिवाचक संज्ञा। इससे किसी खास जाति का बोध होता है। कलेक्टिव नाउन, इससे समूह का बोध होता है। अब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, भाववाचक संज्ञा। इससे अवस्था का बोध होता है। मटेरियल नाउन, सामग्री संज्ञा। इससे परिमाणवाचक संज्ञा का बोध होता है। प्रॉपर नाउन। Look at the following sentences. Sunil Gavaskar equaled Sir Don Bradman's record. Jaipur is known as the Pink City. The Taj stands on the bank of the Yamuna. In the first sentence, Sunil Gavaskar and Dawn, bread, mans are the names of particular persons. The second sentence refers to a particular city, Jaipur, while in the third sentence the Taj and the Yamuna are the name of particular building and river respectively. Such nouns are called proper nouns. A proper noun begins with a capital letter. Common noun. Read the following sentences. The boy plays hockey. It is a big city. The book is misplaced somewhere. The river was in flood. Here the nouns boy, city, book, river stand for a common class or kind. Such nouns are called common nouns. Common noun stands for persons, things, or places of the same class. If the reference is to a particular boy, i.e., Mohanlal, it is an example of proper noun, but boy is common noun because it refers to a class of its own. Collective noun. Look at the following sentences. The army was marching out. The furniture has been removed. A flock of sheep is grazing out in the field. In the sentences, army, furniture, and flock refer to a whole collection of class, group, crowd, etc. Such nouns are called collective nouns. Abstract noun. Look at the following sentences. Honesty is the best policy. Gandhiji preached non-violence. Anger is man's enemy. He won much admiration. We Indians love truth, beauty, and kindness. In these sentences, honesty, non-violence, anger, admiration, truth, beauty, and kindness refer to a quality, state, action, idea, feeling, etc. Such words have no solid shape or physical existence. We cannot see them, nor can we touch them, we can only feel or recognize their state of being. They are called abstract nouns. Material noun, mass noun. Study the following sentences. Silver is a white metal. Milk is a perfect diet. Add sugar to it. The chair is made of wood. My sweater is made of pure wool. In these sentences, silver, milk, sugar, wood, and wool are name of substances or matter. They exist in the form of a mass and are uncountable. They are called material nouns or mass nouns. The name of a thing or substance that exists only in the form of a mass in material noun or mass noun. फ्रेंड, यदि यह वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, कमेंट करना